Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can make tasty egg lababdar. So come, let's start with the video. First you need to boil some water and add 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I have cut into halves. Then you have to add ½ inch of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 4 cloves or long, and 12 to 13 cashew nuts. You have to boil these for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when all the ingredients become soft, we will take it out in a plate and let it cool down. In the meantime, I have boiled 4 eggs. So here we have the eggs and we will cut it into 8 halves. Now we will grind and make the paste of the tomato, cashew nuts, ginger, garlic, green cardamom and the longs. So our tomato cashew paste is ready. Now we will heat a pan and add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, we will add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and 1 bay leaf. We will cook the onion till it turns golden brown. So almost the onion has turned brown. Now we will add the tomato cashew paste and mix it nicely. Once the oil separates, we will add the spices. We will add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and mix them nicely. And we will add ½ cup of water. And the measurement I have taken is from a coffee mug. If you take the tea cup, then you have to add 1 cup of water. We will add salt for taste. Now we will cook it for 15 minutes in medium flame. Now once it is cooked and the oil separates, we will add 2 tablespoons of cream. Mix it nicely. And then you add some Kasuri Meethi leaves. And then we will again cook it for around 5 minutes. Once it is cooked nicely, we will add the egg halves. And then gently we will mix it with the gravy. We will cook it for 5 to 10 minutes and then we will take it out on a bowl or any other plate and we will season it with the egg whites. So our egg lababdar is ready. If you have enjoyed my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.